Can you earn $30 per hour with no website and no experience whatsoever? Welcome. Today I'm going to show you a website where you can potentially earn up to $30 or even more using this very website. My name is Rupesh and I'd like to welcome you to this channel, Passive Income for All. This channel is all about helping you to find the legit ways to making money online. I always believe that one of the best ways to making money online is by building yourself your very own passive income online. And if you would like to learn on how you can do that, then please click on the link below this video in the description. It will take you to my #1 recommendation. In fact, it will take you to the very method that I have been using for the past 5 years to build myself a passive income online. And if it's your first time stopping by to this channel, a very warm welcome to you. Please go ahead and subscribe to this channel so you can be kept up to date on what's happening within the world of online business. Now let's talk about this site where you can earn $30 per hour without any experience and without having a website of your own. But before I go further, I just want to not waste your time and tell you that this opportunity I'm going to show you is only exclusive if you are staying within the United States. So if you're not staying within the States, then click on this banner here and it will take you to the opportunity where you can earn money from wherever you are within the world. So let's talk about this website. Okay, so the name of this particular website, it's called 3playmedia.com, and this is what it looks like. Captions that make you look good. A full service video accessibility solution you can trust to deliver on quality turnaround and support. So what exactly is 3Play Media all about? Well, 3Play Media is a site that offers a transcription and translation service for companies. So what this means is that, say for instance, if you have a project and you need it to be captioned, then you would go to a place like 3Play Media. You see, they offer a range of services, and let me show you what services they offer to a business owner. So if you are a business owner, then you can choose from one of two plans that they have, which is an Express and an Enterprise plan. Now let's just say you have a document, an audio document that you want transcribed. You can choose whether you want it in English or Spanish. That's on the Enterprise option. But on the Express option, sorry. But if you go for the Enterprise option, then you can actually get your document transcribed in 16 different languages. In addition, they do an audio description, translation, subtitling, live caption import, transcription, and so forth. So it's a range of services that they actually offer to someone who is a business owner. But now, more importantly, let's talk about you, someone who can actually make money with this platform. How do you go about making money? You see, what you would do is basically you would join this platform and then you would transcribe these audio files for these clients, and in turn the platform will pay you. So now let's take a look at more at their business opportunity. To find out more, you need to simply click on jobs, and then you need to click on here where it says transcript editor jobs. This is where you need to apply to become a transcript editor. That will bring you then to this page, and at this page here you would see the current openings for contract work. Please review our current job openings. They've got an opening for English transcript editor as well as a Spanish transcript editor. Let's read more about the English transcript editor. Alright, so English transcript editor job description. We are looking for contract transcriptionists or editors to transcribe recorded audio and edit imperfect transcription using our proprietary internet-based software. Since all our transcription work is performed remotely, you will need a good computer and you're going to need a high-speed internet connection. As a contract transcriptionist and editor, you would decide which projects to accept, how much you work, and when and where you perform. To be a good candidate, you need to be able to provide expert transcription service independently and be able to provide a quick turnaround on a finished work product. So this is the requirements. You need to have excellent written communications, excellent command of the English language, grammar and punctuation, typing ability of at least 75 words per minute, must be 18 years of age, and they also have some other special requirements. If you are familiar with Microsoft Excel or spreadsheet, it can probably boost your application, and you must have strong technical proficiency with computers and computer applications. Your PC requirements, or PC or Mac, minimum 2.0 GHz processor, 4 GB RAM, high-speed internet, and regular access to email. The compensation, okay, so here's the part where you can earn up to $10 to $30 per hour depending on how efficient your work is. And to get started, you have to complete the application. Now let's take a look at the reviews, whether people are actually happy with using 3playmedia.com. Alright, so here at the application process, I just want to point out some of the testimonials. Here, I split my time between home and a 40-foot sailboat on the river. I can take my job with me wherever I go and fit a little work into relaxation. I love doing this job. I am a single mother to a beautiful 16-month-old boy. 3Play allows me to earn extra income above and beyond my salary, so I can afford the best things for my son and can afford to send him to the best childcare center. As instrumental as writing has been in and to my life, I'm equally committed to learning about writing and getting better at it. A reward in itself for me. There's still so much to learn, and the gracious general folks at 3Play assist virtually every day in making that goal a reality. So there you have some testimonials. That means folks are happy with using 3Play. And I want to point out something on the application process: English contract transcription, your name, your surname, all the necessary details. But what I said early on is that this is an opportunity more pertaining if you are a United States citizen. So that is one of the cons of this particular opportunity. But other than that, I do see it as a legit way to making money online. Okay, so like I said, it is a legit way to making money online, but there is two problems with this sort of opportunity. I mean, folks can earn up from $10 to $30 per hour, but that also depends on how good you are as a transcriptionist. So they won't pay you straight out $30 per hour. You might earn $10 per hour, but I suppose once you get the experience and you go forward, then you can certainly make that sort of money with this particular platform. But the two problems with it is, the first one is that, as you have seen, it's only limited if you are within the United States. That means this opportunity is not a worldwide opportunity. And then the second problem with this is that it's an active income opportunity. I said earlier on that I am passionate about helping people to earn a passive income online, and I do believe that's the way for all of us. We just need to put a bit of efforts and be guided within the right direction. And that brings me to mentioning to you my number one recommendation, where if you are interested in learning on how you can get started with earning your very own passive income online, just check out my number one recommendation. It's below this video in the link in the video description, and it will show you on how you can get started to building your very own passive income online, and I will be there to help you every step of the way. That concludes this video. I hope that it has helped you out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so we can chat in my next video. I would like to take this opportunity to wish you everything of the best in your online future, and I would also like to wish you and your family safe during this time. Do take care and all the best. Goodbye.